Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to open a network stream in VLC Media Player. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in VLC Media Player, and now you want to open a network stream. A network stream is media that plays directly from the internet. In this guide, we'll show you exactly how you can do this in VLC Media Player step by step. To get started, go to the top menu where you see the row of options, move to the far left, and click on Media. After clicking on Media, you will see a list of different options. From there, select Open Network Stream. You can also press the Ctrl plus N keys together as a shortcut. This will open a pop-up window. Now you need to enter the network URL for the stream you want to watch. You can copy the link from anywhere and then right-click and paste it into the box. After that, you can click Show More Options if you want to change any settings. Once you have added the URL, click Play and the stream will start. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.